Hello, I'm Jim Salisbury with Mitutoyo America Corporation, and welcome to the Metrology Training Lab. In this episode, I want to introduce our online training and certification program in dimensional calibration. I'm very excited about this program because I think this will really help industry, and I can't find anything else like it. We've been teaching hands-on classroom courses in dimensional calibration for decades. And in recent years, we've developed some written theory tests along with performance tests to demonstrate skills. This has led to Mitutoyo America issuing the first and only certified credentials in dimensional calibration. So now we can offer some free, on-demand, online, video-based training for anybody, at any time and anywhere. And when you're ready to demonstrate your knowledge and skills and earn some credentials, whether to meet the requirements of your quality auditor or for job advancements, just contact us and we'll take care of you. Our theory tests are online and the performance tests are available at locations across the United States. And based on demand, we will bring the performance tests to new locations and hopefully to someplace convenient to you. Our first training series, which includes about 10 calibration videos and about 2 hours of material, covers basic calibration principles, introduces some of the fundamental measurement standards in dimensional metrology, like gauge blocks, and specifically covers the calibration of calipers and outside micrometers, two of the most common dimensional measuring instruments. A single Level 1 theory credential covers all that material. For the Level 2 performance credential, we have a suite of 3 proficiency tests. These tests are designed to give you an opportunity to demonstrate that you have the basic hands-on skills necessary to calibrate calipers and micrometers. The proficiency tests are also useful for accredited calibration labs, as that type of testing is a regular requirement for accreditation. Mitutoyo America is committed to providing educational opportunities for our customers. Our online material will continue to grow over time, and if you have specific requests or comments, please feel free to post them or to contact us directly. Further details of our online training and available credentials, along with our contact information, can be found on our website at mitutoyo.com/education. I truly hope you will find value in our educational material and that it will provide benefits to you personally and to your employers. Thank you. I'm Jim Salisbury, and welcome to Mitutoyo America's online metrology training lab.